Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a form in Base 44. Now, as you can see right here, once I click on add new task, it brings up this form you can fill in. It's very easy to do things like this because Base 44 uses a, AI powered no code language model. So instead of us dragging and dropping, form elements, you just describe to it what you need, the purpose, and the fields it should contain. And then it will generate the form based on our description. So you just use natural language. For example, you just tell them, add a new user registration form with fields for, name, email, password, and confirm password. Now notice I've kept these inside a, speech mark. So you can use that so it knows what each field will be called. Then just press enter and give it about a minute. It would create the new element for you in your project or app. So let's just give it a few seconds. And as you can see, it is working on adding a login button and logout system to the app as well, allowing the new users to easily go ahead and sign up. As you can see, there we go. We're already signed in. And let me go a step further. Let's do another one, a survey form with questions. And these are the questions I'm asking it to do. Everything, as you can see, are in speech marks. Now I'll just send this over and then let's go ahead and test it out again. We're going to be testing this out. They have created the new survey page with our requested questions and a link in the header. So just click on this and there we go. It actually works. We have this form. Let's say we're satisfied. We have right here, we can type in our comments, suggestions, and they did add a scale as well. Then we can just submit that feedback. So it's really that easy. Just use natural language and describe what you would like, and Base 44 would do it for you. So that is how you can create a form in Base 44.